We emphasize that this operation is not directed against any nationality but against acts that may be in violation of environmental and mining laws. The PNP and PROTEN in particular remains committed to the presumption of innocence and the rule of law while ensuring the protection of our environment and communities. We encourage the public to remain vigilant and to promptly report similar activities through proper channels. As to the two foreign nationals, walang naipakitang pasaporte yung mga Chinese nationals. So we are coordinating with appropriate agencies, of course through the PAOK, with the help of PAOK, we'll be reaching out to the Bureau of Immigration to research on the background of these two foreign nationals. May nakita lang tayo mga IDs, merong konting pagkakailangan, but ultimately dapat yung documents nila, yung passport nila, travel documents nila dapat ang makita natin. Pero this is beside the point dahil yung kanilang krimen per se na-apprehend sila is because of they are engaging in illegal mining activities. So primarily, we will be prosecuting them with their involvement in illegal mining. Pero titingnan din natin yung background nila, anong pagkakilala nila, and how they entered the country. Ultimately, idadagdag natin kung sa kaso nila kung illegal man yung stay nila dito sa ating bansa. The rest of the persons na nahuli natin doon, most of them are not from Region 10. Yung iba meron from Region 13, yung iba from Davao. But later on we'll find out pagkatapos ng booking procedures. If we are in an ideal world, hopefully magiging deterrent. Pero alam naman natin, lalo na sa environmental crimes, kailangan dito ng hindi lang ito law enforcement issue. Hindi lang to local governance issue. Hindi lang ito issue ng komunidad. Pero kailangan ito synergize yung trabaho natin. So sabi nga ni Mayor, no, hindi naman namin mababantayan yung layo-layo na rito sa few hours pang ita-travel. So talagang hindi mo makikita yun. Pero nakikita naman natin, in fairness to the people of Bohol, some of our operations are born out of information coming from them. May mga indik na talaga na tahimik lang siguro, sabihin natin silent majority. Hindi sila kumikita dyan, pero gaya sabi ni Sir na may pagmamahal sila doon sa bayan nila, sa environment. And so, nagsusumbong sila sa atin. Pero ulitin ko, hindi lang ito trabaho ng law enforcement. We cannot solve this na law enforcement lang. So probably, in a perfect world, sana maging deterrent ito sa pagkahuli natin itong 24 na tao. In fact, pa lang ito empleyado itong mga nakuha natin And we'd like to get to the bottom of this. Nag-usap na kami ni Yusek.